In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey using Google Forms. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it, shall we? Alright, I'm going to open up a web browser and type in Google Forms into our Google. And now I'm going to click on Google Forms Online Form Creator. So in here, this is where we create a survey. So now what you want to do is to make sure to sign in. Then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. So I'm going to create a blank form. This is the best way I've found to create a survey. And now your survey will look like this at its basic level. So what you want to do is give your form a name. All right, I've given it a name here. And now you can also give it a description, something like this. And now I'm going to put some text here and then start this survey. So I'm going to click on add title and description. So I'm going to put in here personal information. Get rid of untitled here, like so. I can give this a description if I want. But what I want to do is to add a question. So I'm going to click on add question, and the question is going to be called name, and it's going to be a short answer. And now I'm going to click on add question again, and this is going to be email. Going to be a short answer. All right, then from here I'm going to click on add question, and the question is going to be a checkbox because I'm going to ask people's age. So I'm going to type in age here, and the first question is going to be under 18. Next question is going to be 18 to 24. Next question or option is going to be 25 to 34, and I'm going to do this all the way down to 65 plus. And here it is filled out here. So these are all the check boxes. And now from here, I'm going to put another section here called overall satisfaction. So I'm going to go add question again. The question is going to be a checkbox. And now I'm going to put in overall satisfaction. And option 1 is going to be very satisfied. Alright, so I've filled out all these checkboxes for people to answer. I can also add another question in here, so I'm going to click on add question, and this one's going to be something along the lines, how likely are you going to recommend our products or services to others? So I'm going to write that in here. So I'm going to make this checkbox as well. So now option 1 is going to be called, say, very likely, just before. Next one's going to be likely. So it'll look something similar like this. And now from here, if I want to do another question here, I can ask the question, say, explain more in detail. And I'm going to make this as a paragraph. It's automatically done it. So if they've chosen one of these options here, they can explain more in detail. And as you can see, every one of these questions, it's all required for an answer. All these are checked. If you want some that you don't want these to be checked, just simply click onto it. If they don't want to reveal their age, just go not required, and then that will save it like that as well. And now once you go ahead and complete your survey, you can customize the look of this survey. So to do so, click on the little color palette at the top here, and then you can change the header, different fonts. I can make it impact, make it stand out more, change the background color to suit. And now once you've customized all of this, what you want to do from here is click on send. And now you can send it to names or email addresses here. The subject's going to be the title here, so customer satisfaction survey, and write a message. I've invited you to fill in a form. You can change that if you like, include form in email. Or if you don't want to send via email, you can click on the link button here and send this link directly to the people who would you like to fill out the form to. Or if you've got a website, you can embed this form or survey into your website as well, or your web page. Also, if you come back to the link, you can shorten the URL too to make it a bit easier to copy and paste to other people.